8th grade Mountain Math, Week 1, Number 4. Simplify. I'm given another exponent problem. This is 8 to the 0 power. Okay, this is our exponent, this is our base, and this is our exponent. Our exponent of 0, we have a rule that we could memorize, but I want to explain it here. Let's say, for example, I have 8 to the third, 8 to the second, 8 to the first, 8 to the 0, 8 to the negative 1, 8 to the negative 2, 8 to the negative 3. We have all of these exponents of 8. I know that 8 to the 1 is 8 times, it's not even, it's just 8. That's just 1 8. Okay? This is 8 times 8 equals 64. This is 8 times 8 times 8, which equals, well, let's see, 64 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. It's 48 for 9, 50, 51. That's 512. Okay? Now, negative exponents, this equals the same thing as 1 over 8 to the 1. If we have a negative exponent, we can just put that on the denominator. That means the inverse. That means we're going to have that on the bottom, which equals 1/8. Okay? The second one, this is 1 over 8 to the second power, which equals 1 over 64, which we figured out earlier. And this is 1 over 8 to the third power, which is 1 over 512. So we should see a pattern here. From here to here, we divided by 8. From here to here, we divided by 8. From here to here, we divided by 8. Here to here, divided by 8. So, what is 8 divided by 8? 1. In our 0 exponent rule, states anything raised to the 0 power equals 1. So a lot of work to get to the same answer here. Anything to the 0. If this was 16 to the 0, that's 1. If this was 1 to the 0, that's 1. If that's 2 to the 0, that's 1. No matter what, it's always 1. And it's a pattern that exists with all of those numbers, and you can figure it out by writing them out like this or just memorizing the rule. Anything to the 0 power